Let's set up the ProtectionPro Lite 3 cutting machine. Start by removing the packaging from the Lite machine. Strips of tape, cardboard, and foam hold the moving parts in place during shipment to prevent damage to the machine. Remove the tape, holding the lid and any machine pieces in place. The auto blade can be adjusted manually by removing it from the ProtectionPro machine. Before adjusting the blade, be careful not to place your finger over the area where the blade protrudes. A deep depress will reset the blade depth to 0. With every half press, the depth of the blade will increase by 1. The auto blade default depth for the ProtectionPro system is position number 3. But you are welcome to manually adjust the blade depth if needed. After checking the calibration, unlock the blade holder by pulling out the lock lever. Insert the cutting blade into the blade holder and push the locking mechanism back into place. You may find it helpful to push down on the blade while you push the lock lever back in. This ensures the blade locks securely into place. When you see the solid blue color next to the blade number, you'll know the blade is locked securely. Next, plug the power cord into the machine and into the wall outlet. You'll need the ProtectionPro mobile app and a PPID to operate the cutting machine. The mobile app can be downloaded on iOS and Android devices. Please contact your company headquarters or your distributor for your PPID. Once downloaded, open the ProtectionPro app to connect to the Lite machine. The Lite cutting machine is Bluetooth compatible and allows for wireless communication through the ProtectionPro app. To connect, ensure Bluetooth is activated by pressing the Bluetooth button on the machine. The light will turn on, indicating that the machine is ready to be paired. From your device in the ProtectionPro mobile app, go to Settings, click on the Bluetooth icon and select Lite 3. Once paired and setup is complete, the light will turn purple and you are ready to cut. Choose the device to cut and select front or back. You will see a preview of the cut selected. Ensure you have selected the correct design by matching it to the device you are about to protect. You will be prompted to scan the QR code found on the back of the film. Make sure you have ample battery power on your mobile device or you may not be able to scan the QR code. To begin the cutting process, grab your PROMAT and a piece of ProtectionPro film. For demonstration purposes, we'll use a size small film used for protecting a mobile phone. The outlines on the PROMAT serve as a guide. Place the film inside the dashed lines of the small film section of the mat. The mat is made from a specially formulated grip material that holds the film in place while cutting. Be sure to run the squeegee over the film to adhere it securely to the mat so it doesn't move while the machine is in operation. Take the mat and align the marks with the rollers on the machine. Put a slight amount of pressure on the back of the mat and press the up arrow to load the mat. When loading the mat, do not place the mat against the rollers and press the down arrow. This could damage the mat. Check to make sure you have enough clearance for the mat to feed through the back of the machine. In the ProtectionPro mobile app, press Cut to begin cutting the device pattern on the Lite machine. Once the machine is finished, press the down arrow to unload the mat. Next, inspect the cut to make sure it's complete and remove the film from the PROMAT. Now you're ready for installation. For installation instructions, please see our installation best practices video.